Tucson's police chief Chris Magnus was pulled over in a traffic stop due to a red light violation.
Hello, sir. How you doing?
I saw you there, but I wouldn't have gone through if I didn't think it was still yellow when I did it.
Sorry about that. It looked like it was red. It looked like you barely missed it, sir.
I certainly didn't know it. I thought I was on pretty safe ground because I saw you sitting there and I thought I wasn't going to go through it.
Yeah, it looks like you barely missed it on the yellow, sir.
Sorry about that.
My mistake.
It's probably not a good idea even on yellow. So I appreciate that you're out here doing what you're doing.
Yeah, so registration, license, proof of insurance, sir. I'm guessing I need all that. How's your day going, though, besides this?
I've been dealing with budget meetings for the last multiple hours. This is, you know, a city car.
Yeah. I'm assuming the car's in your name?
No, this is a city car.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go and guess the insurance is good then, right, sir?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, well,
I appreciate it.
I give warnings, so.
No, well, I'm sorry. As I said, I wouldn't have, if I thought it was, trust me, I know this is a tough intersection, so I would not be,
it's all right, sir.
Something that I didn't think was still yellow, but I appreciate that if I got it wrong, sorry about that.
It's all right, sir. Have a good night, all right?
Take care. What's your first name?
Adrian Harrison, sir.
Adrian.
Yes, sir.
Well, I appreciate that you do traffic enforcement, frankly.
I try, sir.
I know it's hard to fit it all in, so
yes.
I appreciate that.
Definitely, sir. Have a good night.